In a world where affordable housing is shrouded in mystery and misconceptions, one rhino dares to crash through it all. From the visionary mind of Jason Ramshaw comes a new kind of guide, one that's wild, witty, and wonderfully unconventional. Get ready for Crashing Mobile Home Parks, a rhino's satirical introduction to affordable housing. The first in a series that takes you on a roller coaster ride through the world of mobile home park investing. Packed with insider secrets on finding hidden gem parks, laugh-out-loud stories of tenant adventures, and a crash course in navigating the beautiful chaos of park management, this guide is unlike anything you've ever seen. Whether you're a rookie investor or a seasoned pro, this book will have you laughing and learning on your way to profits. Strap in. The ride may be bumpy, but trust us, it's worth it. Available now. Get ready to charge headfirst into the wild world of mobile home park investing.